welcome back. Thank you for clicking and spending time with me. In today's video, we have a few things to do. We're starting off with cooking lunch for after church tomorrow. We'll clean on Sunday, fold some laundry on Monday. I'll also show you how I maintain and organize all of the schoolwork and papers that Lauren brings home. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications.
Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed.
I'm cooking turkey wings, cabbage, white rice, and black-eyed peas. I also made sweet tea. The sweet tea, white rice, and black-eyed peas I made off camera. So for the turkey wings, I'm using Rosie's recipe from iHeartRecipes. Clearly, this dish was too small, but as you can see, I switched it out to a bigger pan. I did double the recipe. This specific recipe is for pork neck bones. We don't eat pork, but I love this recipe, so I'm using turkey wings instead. I used to put the wings in the crock pot per the recipe instructions, but now I put them in the oven for 2 hours. The recipe is linked below. Make sure you keep watching to see how everything turns out.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed.
Now I'm cutting the cabbage. After I cut it, I put it in the sink with water and baking soda to clean it, to get the dirt and bugs off, and then I rinse it.
Yeah, that's impressive. How much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. But be good. Then you fade. Then you fade. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care.
I normally add green and red peppers, onions, and garlic, but I was running my mouth on the phone and I got sidetracked. Still came out really good though.
Be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're missing with me. How much you're messing 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 with me.
I can't hear you. That food good, huh? On the days that the kids have their Pathfinder and Adventurer meetings after church, we come home, eat Sabbath lunch, and then I take them back for their meetings. If you're unfamiliar with what Pathfinder and Adventurers are, the easiest way that I can describe it is they're similar to Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, and it also includes specific focus on religious activities. Adventurers are for kids in grades 1st through 4th, and Pathfinders are for 10 to 19-year-olds. Both clubs have boys and girls mixed, like they're not separate like Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, While the kids are gone, I typically am home, relaxing, taking a nap. I needed to change my quote board from Christmas. I wanted to use the quote, "One minute I'm young and fun, the next I'm turning down the radio to see better." When I saw that quote, I was like, oh, that is so true. I constantly do that, but I didn't have enough N's and E's, so I had to go with another quote. I get my quotes from Pinterest. All right, y'all, let me apologize for the flashing. That was not my intention. Also, you'll have to disregard my cleaning attire. Sorry, not sorry, but this is real life. I do not clean with good clothes and makeup. Excuse me. Just focus on the cleaning, okay? You'll also see my toes need to be done. The nail salon closed early on Friday to celebrate Lunar New Year, so my appointment was a couple days after I film. But like Auntie Tab says, stay focused, and the cleaning is the focus.
Going through changes, I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind, I'd rather just tweet it.
I prefer to light my candles before I get too deep into cleaning, so by the time I'm done cleaning, the house smells really good.
A point we can't rewind. 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 Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get.
This is my entryway. I started to decorate this space, but have since changed my mind from when I first moved in. One of my goals this year is to transform this space with wood trim, a different entryway table that's long, black, and has tons of storage because I need all of the storage, and some other things I just don't know yet. If you have any suggestions, please let me know.
I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind, I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind, I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Even if you try.
Now we're in Lauren's bathroom. I did clean the boys' bathroom, but I did it off camera. I'll show you their bathroom in a few. I also cleaned the toilets off camera. I cleaned the toilets using the Clorox wand and bleach wipes in addition to the Kaboom cleaners.
Maybe you taste different Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, you're undenying, undying.
While the cleaning products are doing their thing in the bathroom, I'm dusting her room while watching Sherrita Lynette on YouTube. You may have heard of her. If you haven't, I highly suggest you check her out and subscribe. She's outstanding. No, but for real, as I was cleaning on this day, I posted my video and was watching it back. Honey, you gotta support yourself.
Time to time, inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, you're undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
All right, so people who know me, who've been to my house, always ask, how do I keep a clean house? Just like most things in my life, I plan for cleaning. I have a cleaning schedule. I clean every other Sunday. Everyone who knows me knows when my cleaning Sunday is. They know not to call, text, or ask me to go somewhere. And if they do and I don't answer or respond, they know why. The phone calls and text messages can be distracting for me, so I don't reply or return phone calls until after I'm done cleaning. As a work from home single mother of 4 kids, 3 living at home because my oldest is in the Marines, I am always busy having something to do, having somewhere to go, or having to take somebody somewhere. So that time that I schedule for cleaning is just that, it's for cleaning. Also during the week or in between cleans, the kids know to put stuff back where it belongs, and if they make a mess, they know to clean it up. Since starting YouTube, I have changed my cleaning schedule a tad bit. My half of the house is now cleaned between 5:30 and 6 a.m. on Fridays, like the weekend of my cleaning, and then the kids' half is cleaned on Sunday.
Through my cigarette, city lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing? With my head all the time, you go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection.
I did mop Lauren's bathroom. I just did it off camera.
Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I'll give you my tomorrow. Forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got. So I changed it, bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta breathe in some love and let yourself unfold.
All right, guys, it's goal check-in time. How are you? What were some of your wins this past week? What are your goals for this upcoming week? Well, the next few days, since February 1st is Wednesday. Or have you even set goals for February? This past week, I started working out 3 times for 20 minutes with the trainer. I am so proud of myself. I haven't hit the gallon mark just yet with drinking water, but I've been drinking about 60 ounces a day. Well, 60 ounces for at least 3 days. I haven't eaten out as much, and I paid my tithe. Remember, when setting your goals, you want to be smart. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Slow and steady wins the race. Take baby steps. What matters is consistency, and as long as we are putting one foot in front of the other consistently, we can achieve our goals. Will it be easy? No, ma'am. Will we have hurdles? Yes, sir. Will we have setbacks? Of course. The key is not to stop, but to keep going. We got this.
When you need space, I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste.
it's time for me to go through her clothes again. I'll be doing that as well as decluttering some other spaces within the next few weeks, so make sure to be on the lookout for that video. I am in love with my shirt. Side note, I saw this design on Etsy for about $90, but I wasn't going to pay that much, so last year right before fall I saw this shirt on clearance at H&M. I took it to the mall, got the same design as Etsy for only $33, $8 for the shirt and $25 for the embroidery.
Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know.
Nana, come here. I forgot you had this. You can wear this tomorrow for the Army Fatigue Day. Yeah, I forgot you had this. With the pink heart. Ooh, that's cute. With the Army Fatigue.
Nope.
This,
but not this.
I like it.
Nope. This, but not this.
But it goes together because of the fatigue. See?
Nope.
She don't like Army Fatigue, but it's so cute, girl. With your green shoes.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
I like it. When Lauren brings home schoolwork and papers, I file them away in a binder. This works best for me. Instead of waiting until the end of the year, I file them within 2 weeks of her bringing them home. I used to file them every Friday, but nowadays it's about every 2 weeks.
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread.
Alright guys, we have made it to the end. Thank you so much for clicking and spending time with me today. I hope you were able to get some motivation to get some things done in your homes. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. See you next week. We'll be putting little touches of Valentine's decor in Lauren's room. I'll be doing a Valentine's hot cocoa, tea, and treat bar. I'll also be sharing some Valentine's school lunch ideas as well as teacher and classmate gifts. Bye.